Welcome to Grady Place in West Mobile, Alabama. This is a gold fortified Mitchell home. It is almost 2,700 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom with 3.5 baths, plus this lovely bonus room, which could be an office, a playroom, a fitness room. You'll notice we have luxury vinyl plank throughout all the living areas. Beautiful quartz countertop in the kitchens and in the baths. This open floor plan is great for entertaining. Don't forget, this is a gold fortified home, so that drastically reduces the cost of your homeowner's insurance. Do you want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.